Hello, welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. I'm about to rescue, in inverted commas, this olive plant, which a friend of mine has given me. He wasn't really looking after it and he wants me to rehabilitate it. I'm going to do that, but in this video, I want to talk to you about horticultural grit. If you watch Gardener's World, Carol Klein is using it all the time, and I use it in my garden projects a lot. And locally at my garden centre, they don't actually sell it. They do sell it on the RHS website, and I think it's about £6 for 5 kilograms. I got this one off Amazon for about £13 and there's 20 kilograms, so that's good value for money, especially if you're in Prime, because that was delivered for free and it's heavy. So I've saved myself a few quid driving to the garden centre and lumping it around. But I want to tell you about the benefits of grit, what it does when you use it in your soil. Right, so that's a 20 kilogram bag of grit off Amazon, and again I will post the Amazon link in the description box below this video. This is some compost, so let's just cut into this. I will be using all this compost when I rescue those olives in a moment. The point behind the grit: if you get hold of this compost and squeeze it, it tends to lump together, and if it gets wet, it tends to stay wet. So if you put some grit in it, and I will demonstrate now, that's clumpy compost and it tends to be quite closed. So let's put 2 of these in here, and 1 of these. Now, a lot of people think that this just improves the drainage, and that is true. There's no question about it. It does improve the drainage, but it's not just about the drainage. The important point in my mind is plant roots need oxygen. So in the process of improving the drainage, you're letting the water out, which leaves space for air. So it's more, for me, it's more about getting air to the roots. And they do say that it improves drainage and aerates the roots. So just by adding 1/3 grit to a half grit to your compost, you're improving the soil structure. And that is exactly what I'll do when I rescue that olive. So there we go, the benefits of horticultural grit. And actually, another benefit of this video is that you can get it cheap if you buy it through my Amazon link, because it's actually good value through Amazon and it's delivered for free. I'll put the link in the description box below this video. Bye for now.